You're confident in your work. You're a master of your trade. With smartphones and devices, you have access to the collective information of the world, whether you want to solve complex problems or watch cat videos. Together with your smartphone, you have more power than NASA and more time for the really important things in life. With a swipe of your finger, you're connected to the whole world, except with your tools. Wouldn't it be great to combine all these things into something more useful and convenient? If we developed measurement technology to make your working day easier, if all your measuring instruments were integrated so the results were secure and available from your phone, your PC, or anywhere you want to send it. If we could say goodbye to messy scraps of paper, sloppy handwritten results, time-consuming calculations and reporting, and all the other problems of yesterday. Testo is solving yesterday's measurement problems to create today's testing solutions. We have created a world in which your measurement tools make your workday easier and smarter. A workday in which you don't have to write down your measurements because they are securely saved on your smartphone and on the computer in your office. A world in which technology is used to solve today's problems and to meet tomorrow's challenges. In which you have more time to concentrate on your customers and to offer them more because the paperwork's already done. And you have more time to record the next steps of your kids with a partner who understands you and whom you can trust.